Hi guys, today we're hiking the trail MST Soco Gap to Waterrock Knob hike. So, we're gonna start off over here, and we're gonna hike to the top of the mountain. So far we've gotten about this far, and we're about to get back into the sun. Feels a lot. Okay, so we're about to go across this the first bridge. Only 2 pieces of log. And this one, I don't even know how sturdy this is, but oh, that's a bridge, I guess. And in like the spring or summertime, I bet it's like there's water going down because of it melting, and then it's gonna be better. But right now we're just at the start of fall. So it's not, the leaves haven't changed color yet, but right now at the start of fall. So this is the first like stream with water. So as you can see, there's like a little bit of water coming down and into there, and there's rocks. But we're like not that far into the hike actually yet, so I'm gonna probably be seeing more stuff like this.
What do you think, Benjamin?
I don't know. I just got stung by 3 yellow jackets. Well, we're right next to Howard's Bridge.
All right, Ben, is this the end?